Ever want to film yourself and what you are seeing for your vlog? This 3D printed part might be the solution for you. You might ask, why do cameras? Besides not having to constantly flip the camera around and missing a shot, you'll get a wider field of view. Download and print the 3D file. Slide the part into any compatible extended battery. Connect a tripod of your choice, preferably one with a wider stance. Place a nut in the slot. Place a magnetic clip onto the mount. Secure the magnetic mount with a thumb screw. Mount your action camera. Mount your DJI Pocket 3. Link to the 3D file is in the description. I also designed 2 lens hoods and 1 lens bumper. Link to the 3D files is also in the description. Subscribe and watch out for another project I'm working on. Here is a sneak preview. Thanks for watching.